Hello friends, some of our customers have very big interest in our new product, which is more same as original. Today, let me take a video to show you the details. Okay. Now, look at here. This is one new, no, not new. This is one original toner in China, 240. But this is not important. The model is not important. Okay. Okay. You can see here, there are some blue spot. Some blue spot we can call glue or what. But you can see this one. It looks easy, but actually it's very hard to adjust the color and put the same pattern, the same pattern like this. You see, it's like a circle spot, and this spot like this, glue like this. Okay, this is the original one. And one more thing is here, there is one layer of white powder. This is very special powder, not a simple powder. Okay, there's one layer. The new one, before you use it, there's one layer powder here. Okay, this is original one. And this is our new one. Okay, this is our new product. This is our new product. Here, same as before, you still put one logo plastic here, will be same as original. And here, you can see, we also add the blue glue here. You can see here. And one layer of powder here. Okay, this is our 2-point upgrade. Thank you.